Welcome back to another SolidWorks tutorial, everyone. In this video, we are going to continue to explore the extruded cut tool. So let's say we have a sketch profile in our feature tree that we want to remove material from. Again, once we select it, it gives us this nice yellow preview of what we are selecting. You can see in the sketch contour, we selected this outline of this previous sketch. If we leave it blind, we can change the depth of how far we want to cut the material down. This would be the y-axis. And say we want to even apply a draft, which is tapering the sides of the cut. You can see the effect here. See how this angle is increasing. Let's turn that off. And we can even instead of the sketch plane, we can select from offset. So if we want to offset a certain amount off this surface, we can. Just additional options for you to choose from when doing an extruded cut.